Hello everybody. My last mukbang was bomb. So I decided to do another one, like another one. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with some of this water because I got a lot of sweet stuff here. I'm gonna show you just now. Wait.
I drink some already.
Alright, share one. So come close, come close. See what we got here. We have what is supposed to be a dozen cinnamon rolls.
Unfortunately, we had one in the car. We had to make sure, they slap.
We gotta make sure they taste what? Slap way.
Yeah, make sure they slap. We gotta make sure they slap.
We had to make sure they slap way. Like, ow!
Not so.
Okay, so to chase it, we're chasing it with the Coke.
Yeah, but you have water in your cup?
Oh, yeah, don't ever leave water in your cup. The icy water, the leftover icy drainage ain't good. That ain't taste good. Y'all don't drink that. You hearing that? Is it ASMR? E?
I don't have no E, but ASMR.
I mean, like, why? Like, ASMR.
Not a thing.
Cheers.
Not a thing. Michael,
That one wasn't cheers, that was Ben cheers.
Michael.
Well, if you pour it from up here, of course it's gonna be flat. Mine don't still bubbly, yeah? I'm good. Again, not left no water in there, don't drink no. That is all Coke. I think we have to buy new Coke. So, and we don't eat one car, we licorice. We wash your hands? They're clean, they smell clean. They smell clean and they may have on them. So, and they're good, we're good to go. You want me to take out yours one?
I got one.
We have to eat whole ones?
Oh, the shade?
No, I just... No, you gotta take your own. Your eye long, eh? Cheers on this.
Can't forget my frosting over.
You take the first bite this time.
They gave my bite.
Compliments of pastries. Well, not compliments. Me have to pay for them. I just buy them and I sell them in mukbang them. I still have white thing on my mouth. You have some. You should lick off it. So, for everybody who's looking, I would like to let you know that cameraman, don't speak, please. Tell him about watching. For everyone who's watching, I would like to take this opportunity to talk about those people who are suffering. Not only the people who actually have the coronavirus, but the people who lost their loved ones. Let's take a moment of silence for them. Be serious.
Silence is not eating.
Yes, you have to be more reverent than that. Just for a minute. Okay, let me give her like a half a minute to swallow what she have in her mouth alone. Okay. Yes. I hope that God be with everybody and keep you strong, and may the souls of those we lost rest in perfect peace. Now back to the how much you think you could eat?
Boy, I exercise this afternoon, you know.
We're going to exercise too. I'm not telling you.
May my belly get fatter. I mean, sorry.
I'm not telling you what we're going who we're going to exercise with, but he bad. Oh.
Right, as I was saying before, beep. May my belly get flatter and my booty get fatter.
Hey, hey, hey. Great. You want me to share one more?
Why are you fed up?
Oh, you want to eat another whole one?
But I don't want to share.
Okay, we're going to. So, what's your favorite pastry?
Comment down below.
Comment down. Comment down below. I don't know down below. I don't know below the table. I was. Comment and let me know. And we have water too. Because the Coke ain't really tasting
The Coke is flat,
cokey.
just like the water. So,
You ever have to ring up
to
for the
swallow.
food to go down. Oh my god. Because it's stick right here and you know it needs to go.
You ever feel it go down?
Like go down way.
Like go down your throat, like it just...
You just always have to feel it going down.
No, not like that. I mean, it have different ways of feeling it go down your throat.
Well, I talking about the one where you eat too much like a licorice pig.
And you feel it grating. That's what I'm saying.
That's why I have to do like a worm for it to go down.
I just take it like a man and swallow. And when it reaches down, you exhale. Cause me not ring up like no worm. No? Yeah, well, I thought, you know, I was going to eat all of these so that my brother and my sister don't get any. Unfortunately, I don't want any more.
The brother and sister you will meet another time though.
Yeah, what?
Okay.
No, you have to finish that.
And no.
If you waste it, you have to finish it.
It ain't waste, make you eat the rest of that. Are you?
Mama, yeah.
So yeah. We want to thank you all so much for joining us. Oh, you don't want to finish yet? You want to eat more?
No.
But what?
You remember 2-minute video for post?
Yeah. How long? It's 7 minutes.
So I'm going to eat in 1-2 pieces of tape.
Well, you should have.
Eat faster.
You should have bring on your muscles.
My throat muscles.
So yeah. I don't like when it starts to get boring. So.
Another serious topic, you know. We have racism too. The racism going on.
Oh, this
The racism going on is also very serious. Even more serious than coronavirus, right? Because, I mean, if you're to get corona and die, obviously God thought it was your time, right? But people are choosing to be racist, which is wrong. There's only one race, and that's the human race. Okay? So cheers to that.
woo! But I can give you woo!
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Yeah. Let me slap.
Them slap way. So we done now.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Please don't forget to like,
Comment.
comment,
Subscribe.
subscribe.